Hey guys, what's up? DEK here with DEK Arcade or DEK Show or whatever the fuck the channel is called. I got a package, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you all what it is. So right now you see a black box. It is upside down, so you don't see the address. So I'm gonna flip this here in a sec. And King Baby. All right. So, King Baby for the chosen few. And let's see what we got. Alright, cool. So we got this little card. Congratulations on your authentic King Baby purchase. Each item is handmade by our master silversmiths and craftsmen, resulting in the best quality artisan jewelry and accessories. This intricate process provides that no two pieces are exactly alike, and there may be subtle variations. The beauty of being handcrafted with only the finest materials is what makes our collections unique and incomparable. This box is closing. We hope that you enjoy your new keepsake, and we are happy to have you as part of the King Baby family. If you don't know, King Baby actually got their name because a mental illness that was tokened or called King Baby, and basically that just means that it is somebody who literally believes the world revolves around themselves, and he made a brand about it. Okay. But it's mostly like biker jewelry. So first off, we got nice and cleaning cloth. And we got 2 boxes. And then what else is it? Paper? Paper. Cool. So we got paper. Right, so let's get that out of the way. And let's go with this thing. So, first off, I will show you. On me, this is a King Baby FU ring. This is a King Baby crown winged heart. And this is a King Baby crown necklace. And I also have the Skull, Sun, and Moon pendant from King Baby as well. So, let's open this up. Big on leather box. Alright, so he puts his expensive stuff in like a box like this. Right? There's a little bit of detail inside. So this is like biker jewelry. It's kind of his motif. This thing fell off. Whatever. But I want to see which one this is. Try to open with one hand. Okay. So inside you got this little pouch. It has everything in it. We're going to open up the pouch and you can kind of see. And now it's got the King Baby 0.925, and this is the Dragon Dagger Pendant. The chain is 24-inch, just like the other one I just showed you. And this is the non-serrated blade. He has a serrated Dragon Dagger as well. This Dragon Dagger is usually $700 on the website, but because of Black Friday, it is now $420, which is why I have purchased this necklace. Alright, so that is the first thing. I like it. His stuff is really heavy. So this is all sterling silver, and it is really heavy. And this is gold plated, or the other one's gold plated. This is gold plated or brass plated or something like that. Alright, so now we got this one. Now I will say beforehand, whoops, this is not on sale. So although that one was $700 and I paid $420, this one is $690 on their website, and I paid $690. Of course, you never pay full price. You always get 15% off on their website. So, you know, it is what it is. And this one's a little bit harder to open. Alright, like usual, same other box. Open it up. Okay, silica packet. And this. Alright, and now we're going to open this up. And this is the laughing skull ring. And the jaw moves. Yeah. But you can see, like, on all the King Baby stuff, it has his logo, King Baby 925, sterling silver, made in the USA. And yeah. So we're gonna try this on. There we go. And it's really heavy. It's actually heavier than the other one. But here we go. So that is compared to the FU ring. Man, it feels heavy, but it looks fucking nice. I love the design on this because it's a sugar skull, right? It's like that kind of like sugar skull style. But, or like a Day of the Dead kind of thing. However, another thing with it too is this is one of his cheapest skull rings. He's got cheaper, but this is the cheapest one that's this size. And his other skull rings that look cool and stuff are actually a lot bigger than this. And I didn't want a ring that took up like an entire half of my finger. This one is heavy enough. Like this one has got some weight. So what I just unpackaged is right around exactly 2 pounds, if that gives you an idea. So I will go over what everything cost real quick. This Dragon Dagger is $700, Black Friday for $420. This Skull Sun and Moon pendant is right around $500, $600. I had to buy a longer chain because it comes with an 18-inch. The chain is $300 for a 24-inch. It's like $280. The FU ring, it's pretty simple, so it's $300. This crowned one was around $600, and this one was $250. So it's a lot of stuff. But man, I really like that. It actually fits my fucking index finger really cool. Really good. So. Also, if you ever get anything that's like the wrong size, they prefer you send it straight back to them for them to fix it. They don't like you going to take their jewelry to another jeweler. But, you know, that's what it is. Man, that looks really good. I like it. Let me know what you all think. And, I don't know. I know a lot of people say it's overpriced sterling silver because it's, you know, you pay for the brand. Also, it's, you know, a brand in Tennessee and Las Vegas. So, it's going to be like that. But I know it's quality, so. Man, there's one more thing I want to get on the website. Or 2 more things. Well, 3 or 4. But, yeah, we don't have money for that. So, you got to wait a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that subscribe button or whatever. And let me know if you, if there's any jewelry or anything like that you like. And I will see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.